Sure, but you have two, Stephanie, factors that were helping this bull market run going the other way, which is Treasury yields and the U.S. dollar. So does that make you rethink what you're doing, what you're buying and selling right now?
No, I mean, look, 50 basis points on the 10-year is a lot in 5 weeks' time. But let's keep it in perspective. At 154, I mean, that's still very manageable. Pre-pandemic, we were at 2%. And I think we've talked about this, Sarah, so many times. Why are rates going up? That's the most important thing in my mind. And rates are going up because we continue to see not only decent data, but it's broadening. It's broadening. And that's a good thing. I mean, this week alone, the market PMIs continue to stay in expansion. ISM is the best level since 2018. Chicago PMIs are up 8 months in a row. U.S. factory orders are up 9 months in a row. So we've talked about manufacturing and the renaissance there. It's happening. It's for real. I listen to a million different companies on the manufacturing side and the industrial part of the economy. And they say all good things. And it's only 12% of U.S. GDP, but for every one job created in the industrial manufacturing sector, 7.7 jobs are actually created around it. So it's very, very important to see the manufacturing parts of the economy do well. Flip over to the consumer, which we know is 70% of the U.S. economy. Continuing claims very encouraging, still too high, but headed in the right direction. The Challenger Gray numbers, the hiring intentions, up 96% for 2021 year to date. That's a huge number, right? So that's all good on the job front. At least we're headed in the right direction. And of course, we've talked about it. Personal savings at 20.5% versus 5% historical. That is huge, huge potential pent-up demand. And that is why you see the reopening names do well. And quite frankly, when you have a little bit better growth, a little bit more inflation, that translates into better action for the value versus growth trade. And to Mike's point, growth was extremely crowded, and so it pulls back. You might want to look at some opportunities on the growth side at some point.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.